Hello students. So second problem of section of solid and development. It is the second condition we are going to see. The pentagonal pyramid base side 40 mm and axis length it is 80 mm rest in HP on its base with one of its base side inclined at 60 degree. Already we have completed this part in first problem, and the condition it is given auxiliary inclined plane, that is the incline at 60 degree passing through the point on axis, that is a 30 mm above the HP AIP auxiliary inclined plane. So we have to draw the 60 degree line first with the same first draw the 60 degree line BP and HP, this X and Y we can mention here, then point can mark draw the dark line is exactly 40 mm base side of pentagonal pyramid and incline at 60 degree to BP. Then connect or construct the pentagon with base side inclination to 30 degree then apex O, connect apex O with the slant edges give the name nomenclature 1 2 3 4 and 5. Take vertical projection lines draw the center line so base mark all the points, that is a point 1 2 5 3 and 4 and connect to the slant edge. The height it is given 80 mm. Apex O, and it is cut by auxiliary inclined plane having 60 degree passing through the point 30 mm above the HP. Take 30 mm above point, take angle exactly 60 degree cutting plane thick at the end, this section plane we call it as a BB section plane. Cut the points, so this point we can call as a point O4 slant edge cut by the cutting plane, we can call it as a 4 dash. Next point it is we can call it as a 3 dash, this point. Then O to 5 it cuts at this point, we can call it as a 5 dash. Then next point it is cut, we can call it as a 2 dash, and base cut at this point means at the base, so 2 points present here, so M and N for the base. You can see that points in top view. When we take the vertical projection line for this point, base cutting point, So one point that is in between 1 and 2, that point we can call as a, this point we can call as a point N, and above that we can call as point M. So point number 2 exactly take the on the slant edge, so point 2 on slant edge, 2 dash on 5 dash, draw the vertical projection line, point 5 dash, that is a cutting point, take vertical projection line. For 3, take vertical projection line on O3 slant edge, this point we can call as a 3 dash, and finally for 4 dash present on O4, connect all these points with the straight line. When we connect all these points, we get the sectional top view, or AIP. We get the sectional top view after hatching. This is the sectional top view. Then true shape of section. For true shape of section, take the compass, take the distance from 4 to MN, that is a cutting point at the base MN, this distance, mark the point MN and point 4. Similar way we can mark all the points, point 3, 3 dash, point 5 dash, and finally we can take the 2 dash. Draw vertical projection lines parallel to the axis of pyramid. Then take the horizontal projection lines from each point parallel to the XY. N dash, M dash, five dash, four dash, three dash, and 2 dash, and we can connect all these points with the straight line. And complete the hatching at exact 45 degree. Is a true shape of section. The true shape of section, and finally the development. You can draw the development. Take the point O mark the point O. Take the distance from O to 1. Same procedure as per the last point, last problem. Draw the arc. Development of this problem: draw the arc, take a distance, base side distance, that is 1 to 2 40 mm. First connect the end point. First mark the point 1 and divide the arc into 5 equal parts: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Connect all these points with the slant edge in straight line. Also connect the base points, base edges. Mark all the points. Means first point, base points we are going to mark from 1 to n. 1 to n. Take a distance 1 to n present on 1 and 2. This point we can mark as a point n. Then 1 to m, in between 1 to 5. 1 to m, in between 1 and 5. Then take a distance in compass, that is a O to 4. O to 4, that is present on the slant edge. O to 4, mark on O to 4, that is a 4 dash. Similar way we can take a distance, that is a O2. Draw the horizontal faint projection line from 3, and this point we can transfer on the slant edge and we can take this distance, that is O2 3 dash. O2 3 dash. Similar way for 5 dash. Draw the faint projection line. Take a distance from O to 5 dash. O to 5 dash for slant edge. O to 5 dash. And finally for 2 dash, draw the horizontal faint projection line. Take a distance from O to that slant edge point, that is a 2 dash. It is distance taken in compass. O to 2 dash. Connect all the points with the straight line. N to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 dash, 4 dash to 5 dash, 5 dash to M, and again N to M. This is the development of the given problem. Thank you. Stay connected for the next videos.